Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Eastern online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.easternbank.com and press enter. Now before logging in, make sure you already have your account. In case if you don't have your account, here you can see the option enroll in online banking. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to register for your Eastern Bank account. Now firstly, you need to choose the account type, personal or business. For this video, we will go for personal. Now all you need to do is enter your username. Now in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your account, then you can simply click on this option. At the down, you can see the other account types too. You can choose accordingly. Now after that, simply tap on sign in. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here you need to enter your password. In case if you are having any problem with logging in, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, you can click on sign in and you will be successfully logged into your Eastern online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.